What you doing, silly? What you doing? You're so funny. Come, let's finish. Get ready for school. Come, die. He's so funny, you guys. Hi, babes. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Guess what?
What?
Today I forgot to do something.
What you forget to do?
To do the subscribers for my YouTube channel. Go. Move that down.
Put your foot
And
in.
the card get.
You forget to film a video for your channel?
And the twitch too. I forget.
Okay, we can do it later when you come home. Okay?
When I go back from school, I'm gonna do it.
Hi, friends. Morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm getting Tyler ready for school, as you guys can see. Mama is talking. Give me a second. Wait.
Mama.
When Mama talking, what do you say?
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes. Our morning episode of conversations. Yes.
I have the same book. It has my picture and my name because it's a surprise.
Sit, let me do it here. Sit here.
I thought that I have one.
Where you find it? At school?
Yes.
Okay, with your picture and your name on it?
Yes.
Wow, isn't that cool?
That is the two of them.
There's two of them at school with the picture on it?
Yes.
Really?
And my name.
Really?
Yes.
Cool.
Mama.
Yes, big boy.
I think Papa saw me when there was Tanya.
Papa saw you?
Maxim.
I saw it too. I was in your class yesterday.
Yes.
And I saw your picture on the wall. And you were a big boy. And I saw the kitchen that you play in too. And I saw your cup. And I saw where you drink water from. And I saw where you do painting and coloring.
Mama!
Yes.
I paint in my mask. Everywhere I painted with my mask.
You did?
Yes.
And you did a good job.
Yes.
Yes. I'm so proud of
Mama,
you. Yes, baby.
I did do it. Putting on the costume for the carnival.
You what?
I
For carnival, where's your shoes? It's in the living room?
let me check.
something else. You guys, I'm getting him ready for school, so he's full of energy, of course, and it's almost ready to go. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Baby's already off to work. I don't have work today, so it's home resting day for me today. So I'll be home just resting and chilling. Come, tie your shoes is under there. See there? See there, look. Is that your shoes?
No.
That's not your shoes. Which color is that? Is it green one?
Yes.
So where's the green one?
I don't know.
You look around there. I don't know where is your school shoes. It's not around there? Okay, go and look in your room and come back. Go and check in your room again. Run. Ty! Come look in Mama's room. Remember, that's where we took it off last night. Turn on the light in Mama's room. You see it?
Yes, I find it.
You find it?
Yeah.
Come on. Let me put on your shoes. Come.
Mama?
Yes, sweet boy.
Guess what?
What?
I'm going
Come,
to
foot.
put on
This
the
one.
shoes for home yesterday.
home?
Why?
Which shoes?
The wobble one.
Yeah, but you need to put it on whenever you want to put it on. You can wear your rubber shoes whenever you want. It's yours. So you can put it on whenever you want. Okay? Okay, we will put on our jacket and our hat soon, okay? Alright, tell Faves later. See Faves there? Look. Look.
Bye.
Look at them.
Bye.
See you guys later. Alright, go watch some TV until we're ready. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go drop my big boy to school. Yeah, but it's not yet time. We have 10 more minutes before we go. 5 more minutes, okay? And baby girl have her plantings today. So I'm gonna come back and make planting for breakfast. You guys, oh, it's a little bit chilly inside because I just woke up. I took a well-needed morning nap. It's some minutes to 1 and I just woke up from a nap, and I guess I woke up with this on my mind. Bun and cheese, because that's what I'm gonna have right now. Thanks Auntie Rosie for my cheese, and thank you to Kimmy for my bun. I'm having bun and cheese, and this bun is halfway. I've been eating it ever since I got it, but I've been using the hamburger cheese. But the real deal cheese came, the Jamaican cheese came. So I am going to have a piece with my Jamaican cheese, and my bun is just half. So hopefully it will last me until Easter. But if it doesn't, that's okay. That's totally okay. So I'm going to take my cheese out of the tin. And how do you Jamaicans love your bun and cheese? Do you like your bun and cheese cold, like you just cut it and eat it right away, or you like to put it in the microwave to make it warm a little bit? I love my bun and cheese warm. Okay, my cheese should be melting a little bit, and then I'm going to put it in the yes, I'm gonna put it in the microwave in 30 seconds, just right. Glory. And then I'm gonna feast. Ah. I'm gonna feast on this bad boy right here. Put my cheese in my fridge so that it don't spoil on me. And then when I don't feel like I'm gonna eat anymore for a while, I can put the rest in the freezer. That's if any remain. Yes, look at that. Glory. Ah, it finished already? You want more? He came home and said, Mama, I want to water the flowers. Don't touch it. You want more water? Look at his little water pan. I'm gonna get more water for you, okay? You ready, now, Scooter? Come here.
But
Here.
you have to stop.
There you go. Take your time. He loves doing what he see me do. Here, here. You watering the plants, Mama? Good job. Okay, you can let your pan stay over there until you're ready to water it the next day, okay? Good job.
Now I'm ready to do my YouTube channel.
How about we do it after dinner, okay?
Okay.
Go.
But I'm ready to do it.
Yeah, but Mama is cooking, so Mama can't do it right now. So we'll do it after we eat, okay? Okay?
Okay. Mama?
Yes, Tyler.
Something to do.
That's how you ask for something to drink?
Please, Mama.
No, what do you say?
We have something to drink. Please, Mama.
Okay, you will get something to drink soon. Can you take off your shoes, please?
Okay.
You guys, Tyler left for school this morning, and when he left and I got back home, I said, you know what? Today, I declare Melissa rest day. I decided that I am not going to do nothing major. I am not going to bother to even pick up the camera and film. I just wanted to rest, and I did just that. I am so proud of myself. Well, apart from I do my usual sweeping the house and tidying up that you would typically do in the morning just to get the day going. Apart from doing that, I did nothing today. I haven't even edited the vlog as yet for the next day. So I have been just relaxing, just resting, and it feels good to just do that. I'm in the kitchen right now getting dinner ready, and Tyler said he wants to play in his room, so he's doing that. And yeah, we're just gonna eat dinner and see where the day goes. You guys see my face, jeez, and see where the day goes from here. What you doing? You putting on your rubber shoes? I love your shoes.
Yes.
It's very pretty.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, my sweet boy. You like your shoes?
Yes.
Yes. That one is for the other foot. It's for this foot.
No. No. No.
No, leave the sock.
No, the shoes like that. It don't hurt
Okay, put that one on this foot.
this
No, that one. Put it on the other foot over here.
But it's going to hurt my
No, it won't hurt your foot. Put it on and you'll see. See? Ta-da! It's good now. Alright, you can put the other one. He's so cute. Cool. You're so cute. Hello, Tyler. Hello, Robin.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's wrong?
I like your nose.
What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. You're so handsome. I love you.
Thank you for
Thank you. Bye-bye. What you gonna do? Train track? You already did train track. What you gonna do?
again.
You gonna do more train track again?
Yes.
Okay. But you started it already. You finish.
No. This time is
You wanna cook something for Mama in your kitchen?
yes.
Okay, what you gonna cook for Mama? Speak, use up your words.
Kids are not to do my YouTube channel. They go to do my YouTube channel. And potatoes to do my YouTube channel. And we could just to do my YouTube channel.
Okay, so what you gonna do right now?
Now I'm gonna feed them.
No, you gonna what?
Feed them.
Okay. Go.
I'm gonna...
Oh, you're gonna build something? Cool. Okay, what you gonna build?
The kitchen is already filled.
Okay, what you gonna build with your Lego?
I'm gonna build a police.
Go on.
The police steps my green and Mama. I think the Play-Doh up is not already filled.
No, the Play-Doh is tough.
But I want the Play-Doh. The new one.
We don't have any new one.
But I want the Play-Doh.
I don't think we have any new Play-Doh. Yes, baby? Real?
Play-Doh.
I come soon. Okay, let's see if we have any new Play-Doh because I don't think we have any new one. Oh yeah, we do. We're gonna have to buy some new one. Okay, we have a few.
Where is it?
Okay.
I want 3 o'clock. freedom.
Okay, you can pull out the table. So we do some Play-Doh.
Yes. Do it wobble down. Oh. A very careful track, Mama. Can you pull the track, please?
Hold on.
The twin track.
Wait. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you're gonna do some Play-Doh.